Backpack sprayers are a common tool in the land manager's arsenal, and these handy tools are ideal for small-scale spraying. In this video, we'll review the top 3 best backpack sprayers, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different sprayers. By the end, you'll know exactly which best backpack sprayers is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Number 1. PetraTools 4-gallon HD 4000 battery-operated backpack sprayer. The PetraTools 4-gallon HD 4000 battery-operated backpack sprayer is a top-tier solution for gardeners, landscapers, and farmers seeking efficiency and comfort. Equipped with a powerful 12 V8 AH battery, it delivers 6 to 8 hours of continuous spraying, covering over 200 gallons on a single charge, 4 times longer than standard lithium batteries. Its adjustable pressure range, 40 to 90 psi, and 6 versatile nozzles allow for customized spraying, from fine misting to targeted streams. The HD 4000 features double-padded straps and a cushioned back pad for user comfort during extended use, while the 34.5-inch extendable wand and 4-foot hose provide excellent reach. A wide-mouth tank and built-in filter make filling and cleaning hassle-free. Durable, leak-resistant construction ensures long-term performance. With added value in the form of a complete accessory kit and US-based customer support, the PetraTools HD 4000 is an excellent investment for anyone needing a reliable and powerful battery-powered backpack sprayer. Number 2. Field King 4-gallon HD 4000 sprayer. The Field King 4-gallon HD 4000 sprayer is a professional-grade backpack sprayer designed for durability, safety, and versatility. Its internal no-leak pump system ensures that chemicals remain contained, preventing leaks that could cause discomfort or hazards. Capable of generating up to 150 psi, the internal piston pump offers exceptional performance for both light and heavy-duty spraying tasks. The 21-inch poly wand is built tough and features Vuitton seals, making it compatible with both wettable powders and liquid solutions. The premium shutoff system includes brass components and an inline filter, and it's lockable for added control and convenience. Maintenance is quick and tool-free thanks to the easily accessible pump. The sprayer includes 6 versatile nozzles, including adjustable brass and fan spray options, plus compatibility with T-jet nozzles for even more customization. Whether you're treating lawns, crops, or large outdoor areas, the Field King HD 4000 delivers power, comfort, and efficiency in one reliable unit. Number 3. Chapin 61800 4-gallon sprayer. The Chapin 61800 4-gallon sprayer is a durable and dependable solution for lawn, garden, and professional spraying tasks. Made in the USA with global materials, this sprayer features a translucent 4-gallon poly tank that allows for easy monitoring of fluid levels, while the wide 5.25-inch opening with filter cap helps prevent clogs during filling. Designed for comfort and efficiency, it includes adjustable padded shoulder straps, a 20-inch poly extension wand, and a 48-inch reinforced hose for extended reach. The poly shutoff with cushioned grip and lock-on feature ensures ease of use during long applications. With 3 versatile spray nozzles, brass, poly-adjustable, and poly-fan tip, you can customize your spray from a focus stream to a broad fan. Chemical-resistant elastomer seals ensure compatibility with a range of lawn care, pest control, and cleaning solutions. Backed by a 2-year limited warranty and US-based support, the Chapin 61800 is built to handle demanding outdoor tasks with reliability and comfort. Thanks for watching the video.